So since the recap is a little bit long and we haven't really touched base with you guys in a while, if you want to, feel free to skip it. I left chapter marks in the bottom, and you can skip right ahead to the swimming content. But if you kind of want to feel out what's going on with us, keep watching while me and Adeline give some explanation. All right, Baby Swimmer Maxwell's.
I'll cut you. Hi, we are here to tell you all about our swim contents. And we know our channel is Baby Swimmer Maxwell's, and that's for our swimming stuff. And Baby Swimmer Maxwell Adventures is our Disney stuff. And we love doing all these things: snowboarding, going the faster. So I'm like, I can just move and dig through it.
Okay, so yes, Adeline did a little quick introduction. Welcome, I'm Nate, this is Adeline, and we are Baby Swimmer.
And my mom is cooking, and my brother is still asleep.
And Adeline is our first Baby Swimmer Maxwell. They're always going to be my babies, even when they're teenagers. Like she said, this is our swim channel. And if you want to follow our Disney stuff, like with Adventures with Ray and all that, you can find that on Baby Swimmer Maxwell Adventures. So I'm going to do a recap. For 2022, we had a lot of swimming video content that I just filmed on my phone, my GoPro, and we even had some challenges that we tried to do. And one of those challenges was I wanted Adeline to go off the high dive, as you can see in that picture right there. She's jumping off the high dive. The other thing was I wanted her to dive to the bottom of 13 feet. And so in this video, you're going to see her dive to the bottom of 13 feet. But
Don't
also,
spoil it!
I know. But also, we have Isaac, teaching Isaac how to swim. And that's some other content that you probably haven't seen much of. And if you're ever wondering why we film, I believe in my heart that Adeline has the potential to be an Olympic swimmer. And same with Isaac. We just need a lot more practice
Olympic
with Isaac.
Boy.
You got to sit up, baby.
Olympic boy.
So, I believe in my heart that the kids both have the potential to be Olympic swimmers. And this is a place that we originally created for our family to just be able to watch their progress. And we've had some wonderful video content that has made it pretty popular on the internet. So, we are keeping documents of everything of their progress and all of the swimming. And so this is everything that Adeline got that we filmed prior to her getting on the swim team and prior to her first couple meets. But coming up, a video that we'll be doing after this one, Adeline did actually do her third swim meet. And in that swim meet, she swam 200 meters. So that's a big deal. And we were very blown away. I was so proud of her. I wanted to be in the water with her and help her and cheer her, but she's right there in the middle doing her thing. So that's gonna be coming up in a later video.
You can actually subscribe and touch the like for our channels and watch every new video. Okay,
so now that we got all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. Enjoy watching the progress of Isaac and Adeline last summer, and we'll see you guys at the end of the video, and we'll see you in our other swimming content videos. Baby Swimmer Maxwell's. Okay, we're working.
Not right now. So when you go into the water, I want you to fall head first.
Okay, and try to grab my watch.
Ready?
And like that, Addy knocks out 7 feet. I got one more thing I want to do.
See you in the water.
What? No, come here. You're not done. She threw my watch in. What a jerk. Very good.
We've been working for a while. Go.
You need a break.
5 minutes.
You did good. I'm proud of you, Isaac. Say baby swimmer. So I am so proud of Addy. They made a new rule because they're understaffed that in order to swim in here and go off the diving boards, you have to swim across the whole thing and back without pretty much stopping. But she passed the test and she can swim in this pool now. So I'm gonna go jump in with her. Oh man, I'm proud of you, Addy.
That was good. I did it.
I told you could do it. No problem.
And I had yellow wristband, so I'm
Good to go. How old are you?
5.5.
Remember? What do I tell you?
I can't hear.
You're okay. And then just jump with your feet in. It's, hey, walk. Make sure go underwater when you
Oh,
go.
it's blurry home.
Okay, 1, 2. Three. Go. Good job. Ready? Go. 3, 2.
I don't have goggles on, so I can't see.
But he was totally calm, like.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
That was so good. You better believe it.
Really?
Yes. Okay, I think.
Pencil, come out to me. Two, 3, 4, 6, 7. good job, dude. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Good job, Addy! Good job, Addy! Oh, she's not gonna make it. Hold on, Isaac. Stay right there, okay? No, stay right there, please. You got it. Isaac, stand back. Did you touch? It looked like you got close.
Try not to swim down, okay?
Oh. Just jump, you got it. What's that?
Some of these kids, I have to tell them, hey, listen, it's more dangerous to go back. And it is, the kids fell right over.
You got it. One, two, take a big breath. 3. Bip. 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 Bip.
Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed that and loved all that swimming stuff. We are excited to bring you more. We have hours and hours and hours of footage, but it's all a matter of just grinding it out and getting it put out there for you guys. So if you guys love the swimming content, if you love Adeline diving and swimming, and you thought her jumping off the diving to the bottom of 13 feet was awesome and jumping off the high dive, give us a comment below. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for our Patreon supporters. If you want to follow us over there and support the channel. It's Baby Swimmer Maxwell at patreon.com. And Adam was drawing.
Yay!
So anyway, thank you guys so much, and we will see you guys on the next video. Until the next one, and until our next adventure, Baby Swimmer Maxwell's. That's not safe. Let's take that sharp pen out of your hands. Alright guys, bye.
Hi, I love swimming and going to Disneyland. I'm doing swimming and it's my favorite thing. So I can just love and love. And I love swimming on my contents. And I got exciting news. I'll be quickly right back. Got it. So here are all my event things. So if you are on a swim team and you don't know what yellow means, it means you got 8th place. If you get a reddish one, this color, if you get this color, it's 8th place. If you get this is 6th place. And if you get this one, it is 1st place. So you can see, oopsies. So I'll just start with the 1st place. 1st place, 6th place. So this is 1st place, 1st place, 6th place, and 8th place. So all my events are perfect. And right over here, you can see I got a whole lot of contents. Over here, it's just nothing. But actually, I will be up and down quickly. Starting with the yellow. I don't like red. Then yellow. Then blue. I'll just put blue over. Show everybody I got 1st place. 1st place. I'll be right back. And we're so much likely come hearing. We love our family content. Mom is learning how to swim. Well, she was on the swim team like me when I was not even born. And thank you for our content. We love subscribing to our things. Thank you.